A devastating explosion in EMBAKASI, Nairobi, has left 3 people dead and 222 others injured. The incident, which occurred at a gas filling station, has led to a series of challenges, including widespread property damage and the displacement of residents in the affected neighborhood. Government spokesman Isaac Mwaura confirmed that the 3 individuals lost their lives while undergoing treatment at Nairobi West Hospital. The injured victims were swiftly transported to various medical facilities for urgent medical attention. Among them, 21 were admitted to Kenyatta National Hospital, and 160 to Mama Lucy General Hospital. Additionally, 19 were taken to EMBAKASI Hospital, 14 to Modern Kamarik Hospital, and 8 to Nairobi West Hospital. The catastrophic incident was triggered by the explosion of a gas-laden lorry. The explosion created a massive fireball that quickly engulfed the surrounding area. The intense blaze not only damaged numerous vehicles but also caused extensive destruction to commercial properties, including business premises. Residential houses in the vicinity were not spared, with many residents finding themselves trapped as their homes caught fire. In response to the tragedy, government spokesman Isaac Mwaura expressed the government's deepest condolences to the families of the deceased. He assured the public that the government is actively engaged in providing assistance to the victims and is working tirelessly to restore normalcy in the affected area. Efforts to manage the situation include the establishment of a secured scene and the implementation of a command center to coordinate rescue operations and intervention efforts. Authorities have urged the public to stay away from the cordoned area to minimize disruptions and facilitate an effective rescue mission. The explosion in EMBAKASI has left a community in shock, with the loss of lives, injuries, and extensive property damage. The government's commitment to aiding the victims and restoring normalcy reflects a concerted effort to address the aftermath of this tragic incident. As rescue operations continue, the affected community and the nation at large are left grappling with the impact of this unforeseen disaster. Continue following the Kenyan News Channel to get more breaking news updates.